Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to make image backgrounds transparent in Canva, covering both the free and pro methods. As of January 2026, Canva uses AI to simplify this process, but there are key differences between the free and paid versions that impact your final result. Let's get started by understanding why transparent backgrounds are so useful. Transparent backgrounds allow you to seamlessly integrate images into various designs without unwanted white borders or backgrounds. This versatility lets images blend with any background color or pattern, creating a professional and polished look. For example, think of logos on marketing materials like brochures or banners, where the transparent background allows the logo to stand out cleanly. Product photos on e-commerce sites can display items without distracting backgrounds, making them look more appealing. And stickers for social media can overlay perfectly on any colored or patterned background. Overall, transparent backgrounds give your images the flexibility to fit anywhere while maintaining a professional appearance. Begin by logging into Canva. No account is needed for basic access to the free tools. Next, upload your image. Canva accepts JPG, PNG, or GIF formats. Select your uploaded image and click the Edit Image button to open the editing tools. Look for the Background Remover tool in the Edit menu. This tool uses AI to automatically detect and remove the background from your image. Export your edited image as a PNG file. This format preserves the transparency you just created. Remember, free exports will include a subtle watermark and are limited to 1080p resolution. Upgrade to Pro for unlimited access without these limitations. With a Canva Pro subscription, you unlock advanced features like watermark-free exports, 4K resolution, and batch processing. The process is similar to the free method, but the AI is more refined, reducing artifacts in complex images. Pro users also gain access to Magic Studio integrations and can save transparent elements as reusable assets, streamlining their workflow. For the best results when removing backgrounds, start by choosing images with clear contrast between the subject and the background. High contrast makes it easier for the AI to distinguish the main object from the surrounding area, reducing errors and improving accuracy. For more precise control, use manual adjustment tools when the automatic background remover isn't perfect. The Magic Wand tool selects similar colored areas with a single click, while the Lasso tool lets you draw freehand selections around edges. These are especially useful for complex subjects with fine details like hair or fur. Finally, when exporting your edited image, always choose PNG format and select the transparent background option. PNG files support alpha channels, which store transparency information, ensuring your image blends seamlessly into other projects without unwanted backgrounds. Canva is at the forefront of AI-driven design tools, integrating advanced machine learning to enhance user experiences. AI tools and design apps saw a 40% increase in adoption by 2025, according to industry reports. Current trends emphasize cloud-based editing that works seamlessly across devices. The future outlook points to augmented reality integrations, allowing users to preview designs in real-world contexts. Generative AI will enable creating transparent overlays from text prompts. Ethically, Canva improves AI transparency by disclosing data usage for training models, addressing privacy concerns. Many small business owners use Canva Pro to remove backgrounds from jewelry images. They upload these transparent images to Etsy, where they can overlay them on digital mock-ups for product listings. This professional look has led to significant sales increases, with some businesses reporting up to 25% higher sales due to better online presentations. TikTok influencers frequently use Canva's free background remover to create transparent stickers for their reels. By removing backgrounds from images, they can add fun, branded elements that stand out on videos. This has helped boost engagement, with creators seeing up to 30% more interaction through these custom graphics. Even educators use Canva to remove backgrounds from historical photos, making them transparent for interactive timelines in classrooms. This allows students to layer images on maps or presentations, creating engaging, educational content. Teachers have found this helps visualize history more effectively for STEM and social studies lessons. Experts praise Canva's accessibility, with many citing faster workflows than traditional methods. Canva has 1.2 billion designs created monthly, with background removal used in 15% of projects. 65% of marketers use Canva for image editing, citing ease over cost as top reasons. So whether you're a casual user or a professional designer, Canva offers powerful tools for creating stunning visuals with transparent backgrounds.